What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just doing a short video going over the 335 exhaust. It's a pretty common question that I get asked, and I just wanted to make a video on what's done and what it sounds like. So it won't be a long video, but I hope you enjoy it. Basic setup, it's VRSF 3-inch Catless Downpipes to a muffler delete. Everything else is stock X pipe, still have the secondary cats, and then 4-inch tips on the back. So again, super basic setup, very cheap. I think the downpipes are 300 bucks and the muffler delete with tips cost me about 300 bucks. Sounds great, probably best exhaust I've heard on an E92 personally, but I don't want to be biased towards my own car or anything. But so we'll get some sound clips of what it sounds like in you know, driving and revs and whatnot. You already heard the cold start at the beginning of the video, so that's what that sounds like, and we'll go over the rest and hopefully enjoy. guys, hopefully you liked what you hear. That's about it for the exhaust. A couple things to keep in mind. The E92 comes with an X pipe and the E90s come with resonators, so there'll be a little sound difference there. But other than that, the burbles are through MHD. They're on aggressive for like 1.5 seconds. And that's about it. So hopefully you like that. Leave a like, subscribe for more, and there'll be more of this in the future.